Bring a large pot of water to boil for our chicken. Bring a saucepan of water to boil. Remove seeds from dried chilies. Steep chilies in boiling water. Salt boiling water and add chicken. Add a peeled whole onion to boiling chicken. Boil for 1 hour. Place wooden spoon on top of pot to prevent spillover. Place tender chilies in a blender. Add whole garlic, half an onion, tablespoon of oregano. Puree on high. Pour puree into pot with chicken. Use broth to cleanse blender. Pour remaining broth into the pot. Add garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper. Stir well. Add hominy. Let simmer 30 minutes. Break down chicken. Garnish with onion, cabbage, lime, and tostadas. Don't forget the tapatio.